Yo, thank you for joining. I really appreciate it. It's another day. It's 3:48 p.m. Pacific time. It's December 27th, 2025. Let's begin. XRP prices flashes. XRP price flashes bottom signal ahead of 2026. It's not a green light yet. Keep XRP is busy inside of falling, but it still looks range bound. XRP may struggle to break $2 because the parabolic SAR is still above the price. XRP hit $2.13 if eclipsed to $1.77. XRP's price action is starting to resemble a bottoming phase after months of sideways movement. That doesn't mean that trend has turned entirely bullish, driving it to a multi-month highs. Downside momentum appears to be weak. XRP still trades below levels that typically a healthy uptrend, making this a warning and a victory. So what's next for XRP's price? Let's analyze it. XRP sellers show signs of fatigue. A look at the 4-hour chart shows that XRP price is confined in a falling channel. However, the altcoin has bounced off the lower trend line, suggesting that the month-long correction could be over. As a result of this bounce, XRP is now flirting with the upper trend line of the descending channel. The altcoin will likely test the resistance at $1.88. Once that happens, the next target for the altcoin will be the overhead point of interest at $1.94. Despite the stable technical setup, several indicators reveal that XRP might not break above $2 yet. One reason for this is the relative strength index, RSI, which measures momentum by analyzing the speed and magnitude. One reason for this is the relative strength index measures momentum by analyzing the speed and magnitude of price changes, slowing it down a little bit. As seen below, the RSI is yet to break above the neutral line. As long as this remains the same, XRP's price may continue to consolidate between $1.83 and $1.94. So obviously it's going down, the line is going down. It's pretty obvious that, it's still consolidating and deciding whether it's gonna go up or down. Obviously, I know that its next target is $1.94. So besides the RSI, the parabolic reverse SAR indicator is above price, indicating resistance. Should that might remain range bound. Still say something. Meanwhile, XRP's market value to realized value (MVRV) ratio has dropped to $1.26, signaling that average holder profitability has narrowed compared with earlier in the cycle. Historically, XRP's price has bounced when the MVRV was within $1.13 to $0.99 range, suggesting the asset may be entering a zone where the downside becomes less attractive and dip by interest returns. That said, MVRV is not a time. While the metric can highlight conditions that precede rebounds, follow-through still depends on whether demand and broader market sentiment improve. XRP price is for reversal. Looking at the daily chart, XRP still lacks a clear path to sustain uptrend momentum. Indicators remain the moving average convergence divergence MACD failing blip decisively into positive territory. In fact, the MACD is beginning to hint at a bearish divergence versus price action, suggesting that while XRP's price is attempting to press higher, underlying momentum is not strengthening at the same pace. The setup implies that any break above resistance may be difficult to sustain in the near keeping XRP's bull to continue to consolidate than an immediate trend If buying pressure intensifies and momentum confirms the move, XRP's price could attempt a push toward $1.99. In a more bullish continuation scenario, the token may extend toward $2.13. However, if bearish pressure reasserts itself and demand remains weak, XRP is sliding back toward $1.77. Thank you for the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram, the Studio 11, follow me on X, the Studio 2020. I like to say Twitter, follow me on Twitter. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you on the next one.